In this video, we will understand how to find out the sum of any n terms of the AP and solve examples of exercise 5.3. Hello my awesome students, welcome to Akshar Vidyalaya. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. So let us start new topic in this video, which is sum of first n terms of the AP of class 10th of chapter number 5. Till now we have done exercise 5.2 in the previous videos. So if you want to know about those topics, so you can see, please see those videos first, so that you can have better understanding of this video. So let us understand the topic in this video, which is sum of first n terms of an AP. So as you all know that what is an AP? AP is a term in which the difference between the two consecutive terms is same, and that difference, that common value is known as what? That common value is known as common difference, and it is denoted by small d. So the difference between two terms is what? A plus d minus a, which is equal to d, right? So now we know the formula to find out any nth value of the given AP from the previous exercises. It is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now this was that if you have to find out any nth value, but now if you have to find out the sum of all these values, so how you can find out the sum? So let us take an example, real life example. Suppose on your birthday your mother has given you the rupees 10, and on your second birthday your mother has given you rupees 20, then on third birthday your mother has given you rupees 30, and till then your mother has given you rupees 1000 on your one birthday. So if I tell you that how much total amount you are having now, so how you can find out? It will be very difficult for you to do the addition in the simple manner. So for that, what we will do, we use the formula of AP so that it becomes easier for us to do the addition, right? So you know about the Gauss, about which you have studied in the chapter number 1 of class 10th, that the number of terms was given to him and he has done the addition within few seconds. So this was the number of terms 1 to 100, and he has done the addition within few seconds. So how he has done? He has find out the sum like this. And so what he has done? He has done addition of first and last term. He has made the pairs and then the addition the first and the last term, then second term and the second last term, 2 plus 99, so on, and 3 plus 98, and so on, right? So what will you will get 101 from here, and from here also 101, and from here also we will get 101. So how many such terms will be there? 100 such terms. So we can write down like this, that 101 into 100, because there are 100 such terms, similar terms are being added. So this will be the answer of the addition, which is equal to 101. And suppose the sum of the first n terms of the AP is given by a plus d plus a plus 2d, and so on, and the last term is what? Last term is my a plus n minus 1 into d. So now what I can do, I have to rewrite my equation number 1 in reverse order. In reverse order means, how I can write down in the reverse order means, I will make the last term as the first term and the first term as the last term. So this will be a plus n minus 1 into d, and the second last term will be what? A plus n minus 2 into d, and so on. And I can write it down like this, a plus d plus a. Okay, so now do the addition of the first and this second term. After doing addition of first and the second term, what value I will get? I will get s plus s is equal to 2s, and then do the addition of this first term and this first term. what I will get, a plus a will be equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Similarly, if I am going to do addition of second term and here also the second term, what value I will get? I will get a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d and so on. And the last value which I will get will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d plus a, right? So now I can say that this is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus a will give me what? A plus a will be equal to 2a. This will be d plus this will be nd minus 2d. After solving this bracket, I will get nd minus 2d. So similarly, the last term which I will get will be equal to what? A plus a will be equal to 2a and this will be equal to the same n minus 1 into d. So after solving this value, what I can get? I can have that this is 2a plus this will be nd and this will be, after solving, d minus 2d will be what? D minus 2d will be minus d, and I can write down it as 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I will find my answer, 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus this will be what? This will be 2d minus d. So this will be what? 2a plus, I can take d as common, so inside the bracket it will be n minus 1 into d. I have taken d as common, so inside the bracket from here will be n and from here it will be 1, right? So I can write down it as 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can see that this has been converted to the similar process like this, means same number of terms being added a number of times. So we know that there are total of n terms which are being added and similar terms are being added. So I can write it down as n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2s. Be equal to what? S will be equal to, this 2 is being multiplied here, when it will go to the right hand side it will be divided. So my sum will be equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the general formula which we are going to use to find the sum of any n terms of the AP. But suppose we have to find out the sum of the total till the last term of the AP. So how I can find out? We know that an is equal to al at that time, means because the last term will be equal to my nth term. So how I can write it down? I can break this term 2a into a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is what? This is the formula for an, and this time if I am considering the last term, so my last term will be also equal to nth term. So I can write it down as n by 2 into a plus al. This will be the sum of the last terms of the AP. Okay. Now moving to question number 11. Question number 11 says that find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP. We have to find out the sum of first 22 terms of this AP. So this AP sum, first value is what? A, and the common difference, you know very well how to find out. The common difference will be equal to first term will be subtracted from the second term. So 3 minus 8 will be equal to 5. So I have to find out the sum of the first, how many terms? 22 terms. So n is also given to me, which is equal to 22. So write down the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is what? N is my 22. 22 by 2 into 2a. A is my 8 plus n is my 22 minus 1 into d is what? D is my minus 5. So this and this will get cancelled out. I will get 11 into 16 plus 21 into minus 5. So my answer will be 11 into 16 minus 5 ones the 5, 5 twos the 10. So my answer will be minus 979. So the sum of the first 22 terms of this AP will be negative and it will be equal to minus 979. Right. Now moving to question number 12. Question number 12 says that if the sum of first 14 terms of the AP n is given to us equal to 14 and its sum means S14 is given to us equal to 1050 and its first term is 10, then we have to find out its 20th term. We have to find out the value of 20th term. So to find out the 20th term, any general term, the formula is what? Formula is A20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I know the first term is my 10. I know the value of n. N is my 20 minus 1. But I do not know the value of common difference. So by using the formula of sum, I will find out the value of common difference first and then I will put that value in that equation and will get my 20th term. So simple. So S14 is what? S14 is my 1050 and n is what? N is my 14 divided by 2 into 2a. A is what? A is given to us equal to 2 plus n is again 14 minus 1 into common difference. Okay, so if I am going to do cancellation of this, so I will get 14 sevens the 98 and then 7 will be there and 14 fives the 70. So I will get 75 into 2 is equal to, this will be what? 2 into 10 is 20 plus 14 minus 1 is what? This is my 13. This is D. So my answer will be 150 is equal to 20 plus 13D. So this 20 will go to the left hand side and it will be subtracted. So 150 minus 20 will become equal to 130 and 130 is equal to 13D. So my answer will be 130 by 13 will be equal to 10. So my common difference will be equal to 10. Right. So now put the value of common difference in this equation and you will get your final value. 20 minus 1 will be 19 into common difference is 10. So my answer will be 10 plus 190 which is equal to 200. So my 20th value will be equal to 200. Okay. Now moving to question number 13, which says that how many terms of the AP must be taken so that their sum is 78. So I have told you in the previous exercise also, whenever they are talking about how many means, and in English also how many means that count. I have to find out the count means I have to find out the value of n. So they are saying that of this AP means first term is what? First term is my 24. Common difference is what? 21 minus 24 which is equal to minus 3. So it must be taken so that their sum is 78. Sn is given to us equal to 78. So Sn is given by what? Sn is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is sum is my 78 is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is what? A is my 24 plus n minus 1 into d is my minus 3. So I will get what? I will get, if I am going to do multiplication here, my answer will be 156 is equal to n into 48 and then solve this bracket part. This is minus sign, so plus minus will become minus and it will become minus 3n and plus 3. So I will get what? I will get that 156 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 will be 51 minus 3n. So now this will be a quadratic equation, and after solving this quadratic equation, you know that how to solve the quadratic equation. This will be 51n and this will be minus 3n square, right? So if this 3n square is negative, so when it will come to this left hand side, it will become positive. This 51n will become negative, and this 156 is positive, so it will remain as it is. So divide your complete equation by 3 so that it becomes a little bit simpler. It will be n square, it will become 17n, and it will become 52 is equal to 0. So the factors after solving this quadratic equation will be equal to n minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. So either your value of n can be equal to 4, or either your value of n can be equal to 13. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve exercise 5.3. Till then, take care and bye bye.